Hello, gFour clients. Everyone here at gFour is incredibly excited to roll out what we're calling Authentic Feedback Plus. It is a complete enhancement to your current authentic feedback system. And in this short video, I'm going to show you just a quick sneak peek as to some of the highlights. So as you know, we are requesting reviews through text message, through email, and through mail, and that's going to remain the same. But I want to show you some highlights now of our new platform when you are requesting a review in person. So I'm actually going to do a quick live demo for you here real quick. So while you are at the home and you are trying to request a review and send that customer a text message so they can very easily leave you a review, you're going to have this check-in form saved on your mobile device. And so very similarly to the way that it works now is you are able to enter in the customer's information. So I'll go ahead and enter in my information so you can see how this is going to work. And what you'll notice is you have a new drop-down menu here that is titled Assisted By. So this has been a feature request that has been ongoing for a while now, and we're happy to roll it out. This makes it really easy for you as a company to manage and keep track of the employees that are requesting reviews for your customers when they're using the application. So the way it works is it's preloaded with all of the employees that you need in order to send out the review requests and that you need on the drop-down menu. And obviously, these are our gFour employees. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of them there, and then you're going to go ahead and hit submit. And what that's going to do is it's going to track on the back end how many of your employees have submitted review requests and then the actions that are taken by said customer later in the future, right? If they click the link, if they left a review. So a lot more trackability is going to be made available in the new platform. We're really excited to roll that out. Next up is your review streaming options are getting a complete revamp. So now all of the enhancements that we've created allow for a lot more branding capabilities from your side. I'm going to go ahead and show you some quick examples of what that's going to look like. So you have several options to choose from. My personal favorite is the grid view that looks similar to this. Of course, you're seeing the gFour reviews on here, but you have a lot of options. So we are going to go ahead and communicate with you all of the different options and you can choose which one you like best. So another option would be the feed style here. This one is the one that is most popular among our clients as well. If you scroll down, you have the slider option here. This one has one review at a time, but the customers can slide over to the right or the left and reveal a new review. We also have the badge on here. That one's typically used on a home page or the top of a reviews page, certificate badge. And then we still have what we call the widget, and this is the rotating widget that pops up every couple of seconds with a new review, typically placed on the home screen of your website. So along with these customizations, there's also going to be a couple of color themes that you can add to the widgets. Let me go scroll back up to the grid. So if you have, for example, let's call it like a black website, you can go on here and you can customize this so it's a little bit more aligned and similar with all these different color options. So a lot of customization. They were really excited to roll that out. Again, your account manager is going to work with you to pick the one that works best with your website and send you the codes. All right, logging into the actual dashboard, you are going to be getting new credentials from your relationship manager because, again, we are switching and we are revamping completely to a new platform. And so here on your dashboard, you're going to be able to see some quick stats here. We're going to be pre-populating this with a quick look for your reviews. And then if we jump over, one of the things that we are most excited about are all of the options that are now made available for review replies. And so I'm going to walk you through the three main options that you have now. So you can respond to reviews directly from within the platform. You are seeing some of the recent gFour marketing reviews so that I can show you the platform in action. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. You would have a reply button here. In this case, we've already hit reply to that one, but I'm going to go ahead and hit edit to show you what this is going to look like. So your first option to reply to reviews is to select from pre-populated templates that we're going to help you create. So for the templates, we're actually going to go ahead and pre-populate those templates for you, but you can make any edits that you'd like to those templates. The way it works is you have your little template library down here. If you scroll down to this little icon and click on this, you'll notice that your whole template library pops up. And so you can select if a customer left you a 5-star review, templates for that. If a customer left you a 4-star review, templates for that. And you can have as many templates on here as you'd like. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the thank you 5, and that's going to go ahead and pre-populate that template for me. If you notice, it actually even includes Mike's name on here. All right. So again, all of these are fully customizable. And if you really just want to have a quick access to some foundational templates that you can write over, then that's fine. You can go on here and you can edit whatever you'd like from that template. So that is one possibility, having those templates that you could go ahead and choose to make your life easier for replying to reviews. And we also have this AI functionality as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel and show you from the start here. So if this did not have a reply already selected, you can go ahead and hit AI and you're going to hit reply. And the system is going to go ahead and generate, based on what the customer told you, a reply for them. And what's cool is you can actually change the tone. Maybe you want it to be a little bit more professional. Maybe you want it to be a little bit more informative. Maybe you want it to be friendlier. Maybe you want to make it shorter. Maybe you want to make it longer. And so it's going to go ahead and let me go ahead and just show you here real quick. Let's make it a little bit more friendly, right? So the AI is going to go ahead and automatically change that review and make it a little bit more friendly for you. So those first two options, those are done manually. If you want to have someone that is controlling your review replies, either through the template or through the new AI functionality, it's definitely going to make their life easier. The third option is set it and forget it. So the way that works is we have a couple of templatized responses that are created for each of the star ratings. So we'll have templates created for 5 stars, 4 stars, and so forth. And then those review replies get rotated so you're not saying the same thing all the time. Basically, a customer leaves a review, automation kicks in, and the review gets replied to based on the template that we've already gone and preloaded on there for you. So 3 really cool options, all based on your personal preference and how you want to respond to reviews, but all going to be a huge time savings for you. Our reporting functionality is also getting a complete revamp as well. So we're going to be pre-populating the reports that make the most impact for you already, but you have a lot of customization here as well. So for example, what you're seeing right now on the screen is a chart that displays reviews and ratings over time. If you simply click on the customize button, now you can change the layout, the time frame, and I'm going to show you here real quick. So for example, let's say that we wanted a table style of the information presented. We can go ahead and do that. Let's say that we wanted to display it yearly instead of quarterly. We can go ahead and also do that. If you wanted to compare data over time, right? So year over year, if that's important to you, you can go ahead and select that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and just hit update here. And now that review or that display option is made available to you. So a lot of customization here. Again, we're going to be populating some of the most important reports for you to keep an eye on. Also, really important is now the functionality to email that report to you, right? So if you have KPIs that are tied to these reviews internally, or you just want to keep a really close eye on it, you can email yourself and you can schedule these reports to go out on a recurring basis for you automatically. One of the other options are going to be the leaderboard, right? So this is the report that shows which of your employees has requested reviews. And so you kind of have really quick access to that as well. I know this is going to be really important to a lot of clients, and we're really excited to get that rolled out. Alrighty, next up is Inbox. Inbox is a brand new tool. Inbox allows you to control all of your client communication and organize it in one place. So you can load your customer data into the Inbox platform, and from one place, you can easily email your client, text your client, or keep internal notes on your client. So, for example, my clients, I sent a text request to them, and then I sent them an email, and all of that communication is here internally. So if I wanted to go ahead and select pre-populated templates to communicate with my customer, perhaps let them know that their installers on the way, I can have templates that have that pre-populated message on there. I could also do the same with text message. The internal note feature lets us write internal notes about our client that they do not see. So for example, I could say called and asked for a quote, and that's going to be an internal note that I save on my customer's profile. So if you don't already have a quick way to text or email your clients and keep it all in one place, Inbox is going to be an absolute game changer for you. And you'll notice we still have the AI functionality on there as well. So if the customer wrote us an email and we wanted to reply using AI to start the conversation, we can definitely do that as well with the platform. You'll also notice that there is something called internal team chats. So internal team chats works very similarly to Slack. So you can have a internal conversation with employees going on. So this makes it really easy to have quick chats with employees that are perhaps sitting in opposite offices, or perhaps are working remotely, or perhaps are in the field. You can go ahead and have the internal team chats functionality turned on as well. The inbox functionality as well lets you do mass texting to your customers. So with mass texting, we can go ahead and set up special promotional offers that you have going on that are specific to the season or a new product rollout, and we want to go ahead and send a text message to all of your customers or a specific group of customers. We can now do that within the platform as well. Lastly, we have the receptionist feature. The receptionist feature allows your customers to get a message from you if they call the office and reach your voicemail for whatever reason. So it could be that they called after hours, or it could be that they called when you were on the phone with other customers. And so in that case, they could, one, access a custom voicemail greeting that you have, and two, a text message can go out right away after that customer hangs up. So really take advantage of all of these really cool features that the new Authentic Feedback program has to offer. And your relationship manager is going to be reaching out to you with more information. Thanks so much. We're really excited to get this platform up and running.